In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Freshbooks works. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or solopreneur, you might be wondering how Freshbooks can simplify your financial tasks. Let's break down how this cloud-based accounting software operates and how it can help you manage your finances more efficiently. Freshbooks is designed to streamline your invoicing and billing processes, making it a breeze to create professional invoices in just a few clicks. The platform offers customization options where you can add your company logo, set specific payment terms, and automatically include tracked time and expenses. This feature not only ensures that you get paid on time, but also reduces the hassle of chasing down payments, which can save you both time and stress. A key feature that stands out in Freshbooks is its integration with online payment options. Clients can settle their invoices directly through the platform, which makes the entire transaction process smooth and easy. Moreover, Freshbooks takes another step to assist you by sending automated reminders for overdue payments, helping you maintain a steady cash flow and relieving you from the stress of late payments. Now, let's talk about managing expenses, another area where Freshbooks excels. The software makes tracking and organizing your expenses a seamless process. It allows you to scan receipts using your mobile device, import transactions directly from your bank accounts, and automatically categorize those expenses. This functionality keeps your financial records organized and up to date, which is critical for any business, especially when it comes to financial reporting and tax preparation. Speaking of financial reports, Freshbooks provides real-time updates that you can access anytime. You can view profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and trial balances with ease. These reports are invaluable for making informed business decisions and ensuring you're well prepared for tax season. Having this information readily available can save you both time and effort, making tax filing a less daunting task. Freshbooks also makes collaboration easy. You can grant your accountant access to ensure they have all the necessary information to provide timely and accurate financial advice. The platform integrates with various third-party applications, further streamlining your workflows and boosting productivity. Security is a top priority for Freshbooks. The software employs high-level encryption and strict protection protocols to safeguard your financial data. This peace of mind is essential for maintaining the integrity of your business's financial information, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. In summary, Freshbooks is an outstanding tool for simplifying financial management for small businesses. It automates many necessary tasks, provides clear and concise financial reports, and helps maintain compliance with financial regulations. Whether you are just starting or looking to enhance your current financial processes, Freshbooks can be a valuable asset in managing your business finances effectively. Thanks for tuning into our video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.